Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm your little chef, and I'm going to teach you how to make creamy, cheesy Alfredo pasta. Step by step, spaghetti boil cooking. First, let's get our ingredients ready. I've got fresh pasta, butter, garlic, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, and a little salt and pepper. Everything you need for the perfect Alfredo pasta. Now let's start cooking. I've filled a big pot with water and turned on the heat. Once the water starts to boil, I'm adding a pinch of salt and then the pasta. We'll cook the pasta until it's soft but not too mushy. It usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. While the pasta is cooking, let's make the creamy Alfredo sauce. I'm melting some butter in a pan. Look at that melt. Now, I'm adding freshly chopped garlic. I'll stir it around until it smells super tasty. Next, I'm pouring the heavy cream, slowly and carefully. Then, I'm adding grated Parmesan cheese and stirring it until it melts and becomes super creamy. Don't forget a little bit of black pepper and salt to make the flavor perfect. Now, let's check our pasta. Yes, it's ready. I'll drain the water and add the pasta into the creamy sauce. I'll mix everything together so the pasta is fully coated in that cheesy, creamy goodness. For the final touch, I'm sprinkling a little more Parmesan cheese and fresh parsley on top. It looks so yummy, and there you have it. My special Alfredo pasta is ready to serve, made by your very own little chef in this beautiful kitchen. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more fun cooking videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye and happy cooking.